Ever been blocked from deleting a file or making a simple edit because Windows claims it's open elsewhere? This video will walk you through fixing that infuriating action cannot be completed error message step-by-step. First, the most obvious solution: identify which application is using the file. Look at the file itself and the context of where you see it. It could be in a recently opened document, or maybe its extension is associated to a certain program. Next, try closing the programs associated with the file. If you're unsure, head to Task Manager by right-clicking the Windows icon on the taskbar, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC simultaneously in the Processes tab. Search for applications that might be using the file. Close any relevant programs. This often resolves the issue. This will normally allow you to go ahead and complete whatever action you were trying to do. If closing programs doesn't work, it's time to explore more advanced techniques. First, if the file is linked to a program you believe to already be closed, try rebooting. Sometimes this closes all hidden background processes. If that also doesn't work, you might need to use third-party tools to see which programs are actively using the file. Search for Handles software and launch it after the download is complete. Once the application is open, search the program for the file you are trying to modify. If the file is there, it means that it's one of the reasons why the file cannot be closed. Select the process and close it to allow yourself to make changes. Sometimes you will need to close all instances of programs that use the file, even those running in the background. With these steps, hopefully you will be able to navigate the action cannot be completed error message and regain control of your files. Don't forget to subscribe to see more Windows tips.